Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating a focused math notebook so your work stays organized and searchable. Open OneNote, make a new notebook, then add sections like notes, problems, and solutions so you separate thinking versus polished answers. Turn on the Draw tab and enable Ink2Math plus Math Assistant. These let you write naturally and convert to clean equations. Once done, create a sample page and write an expression by hand. This first quick test proves your setup works and saves time later. You now focus on converting handwritten ideas into editable math. Use the pen and highlighter to write symbols clearly, then use lasso select to encircle the expression. This tells OneNote what to convert. Tap Ink2Math and choose the best matching typed equation. Make corrections immediately so the semantic meaning stays intact. Next, send that typed equation to Math Assistant to solve, factor, or graph it. This step-by-step conversion saves time and helps you check logic while keeping a clean record. To finish, tidy the page. Convert key equations to typed form, add numbered steps, and export a PDF for submission or backup. Use screenshots for complex diagrams and paste clean equations into Word if you need formal formatting. If Ink2Math struggles, rewrite symbols more distinctly, enlarge pen size, or switch to typing LaTeX in the equation box. These fixes resolve most errors. If problems persist, close and reopen OneNote or update the app. That often clears recognition glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.